Hi everyone! Today we're going to make these fantastic reindeer antler headbands. This is our take-home craft for the month of December. You can pick up your kit at any of our 14 branches during opening hours and make it at home. Let's get started. When you pick up your kit from the branch, you will receive an instruction page, including some book suggestions that you can read and learn more about reindeers and the holiday season. And you'll also receive 2 pages that are the template for the reindeer antlers. So now I'll show you how to make them at home. So the first thing you need to do is color your template. Now that includes both the antlers as well as this page. So I've got started on mine and I'm gonna finish it up now. So I've colored the headband, the ears, and the antlers. And I'm just gonna finish coloring the nose. I'm going to make mine Rudolph, so I need to make my nose red. Perfect. So you can use markers or crayons or whatever you have at home to make your antlers. And you don't need to make them look like reindeer at all if you want. If you would rather do rainbow antlers, that's okay too. Whatever colors you would like, get creative. Okay, so my nose is almost done here. And next up, I will color the inside of the ears pink. Okay, 1 down and 1 to go. Now it's important that if you can see on my sheet here that you do color both this strip and this strip. This doesn't look like it's anything, but it's actually going to be the back of our headband. So you don't have to color it, but I did just to make mine look all the same. So there, my one sheet is colored. And then I've got my antlers colored and cut out now too. So to cut out this paper, I'm first going to cut along this line here, right across. Okay. Perfect. Next, I'm going to cut out my ears. I've got 2 ears here. Okay. 1 down and 1 to go. Okay, now you'll see that what I have left is this here. Now we're gonna cut this all as one piece, but if you do cut out the nose separately, that's okay. We'll just have to glue or staple it or tape it back on again. So I'm gonna cut across this line here, and then down, and right around my nose, my Rudolph nose. Do you know all of Santa's reindeer's name? I wonder if I can get 3. Let's see. I know Rudolph and Blitzen. How many is that? 2? Let's see. 1 more. Prancer. That's another one too. How many can you name? All right, so I've got everything cut. Let's make sure we've got it all. I've got this piece here. I've got 2 ears, the back of my headband, and I've got the antlers. So now we're going to attach them all together to make a headband. So this is the front of my headband. I'm just going to face it towards me so I can see it. So I'm just going to place them however I think is best. So maybe I'll put my ears here. My antlers I'm actually going to put behind, so you don't see them. How's that looking so far? Does it look like a reindeer? Maybe a bit closer together. Okay, so again, if you cut the nose out accidentally, you can just reattach it just the way it is now too. That's totally fine. So now I'm going to grab either my tape, my glue, or my stapler, and I'm going to attach all these pieces together. Last but not least, you want to see And actually, you know what we'll do is we'll attach this on one end, just like that. And then I'm going to place it around my head to measure how big I need it to be. And then you will staple, or again, tape or glue, the other end together too, once you've measured it, and you will have your reindeer antlers to wear. Now, a little trick, if your antlers are a little bit floppy, kind of like mine are here, you can actually put either a popsicle stick or a straw on the back of it, just to make them a little bit stiffer. Okay, so those are your reindeer antlers. Again, don't forget to pick these up at any of the branches during opening hours while supplies last, and you can make these at home. We hope you enjoy this, and happy holidays.